Guys, for today we're going to review the 2005 release Dennis from Tomy. Now you can see there is Dennis. He is a lazy diesel that was introduced sometime in season 9. I think in the episode Thomas's Day Off, there he was introduced to us as a diesel shunter that arrived new on the island. And this pack includes him and 2 trucks. You can see there in the back, there's some loads. Let's bring those. Some bricks that's related to the story. I used to have the full pack, but I cannot find the other two here. So imagine there's another one here. And this is the exact truck. As you can see, there are faceless troublesome trucks. And let's take a closer look at Dennis. So, this is Dennis. He is a prototype diesel shunter in British Railway. He's real class. There's only one ever built. And yeah, a fun fact. When this specific diesel was first built in British Railway as an experimental diesel shunter, his controls were different. It was akin to the steam engines. So that's a very unique fact about him. Now let's take a closer look. There's his face, which is accurate to the show interpretation of him. The sides, he's a really long diesel here. And he is really well designed by Tommy. He captures the model itself and the real type. There's his number, which says he is numbered 11001, as like his prototype. There's his wheel. One thing unique about him is he has bullied wheels. You can see there's a different one. And you can see there in the back there's Rebecca. He is also designed by Oliver Bullied, but his wheels is just the standard one there. But I really wish that maybe Tomy or Plarail just put these wheels here because they have the mold for it for Rebecca. And also, he has a unique side rods because this part here is connected here that spins as well. The back, which has windows, and his tail lamp. The side, which is the same, and the top, which has his off and on button. And the bottom, which says Tomy 2005 Tomy copyright made in Thailand. And there's this opening where you can put batteries. He takes a double A size battery, and he can roll fine. You can see the movement of his rods. Let's take a closer look. When he moves, that's one good unique thing about this model. And the truck again, let's review it. The brick load are colored the tiles are colored orange like in the show because I think they were going to build a school there, so they need bricks. They're also detailed as well in the bottom, and you can put it here or any truck that looks like this one. Now let's couple Dennis up. And let's take a closer look at the two because they are both been designed by Oliver Bullied. And also there's another one that designed by Oliver Bullied. It's Neville, but I don't got that model, so yeah, sadly I don't have Neville, but maybe soon. Hopefully, I can find one because it is extremely rare for now. And yeah, now let's see Dennis run. So yeah, guys, that's for all for Tommy Dennis. If you can still get him, he was also released by Trackmaster, so there's a chance you can still buy him, like in eBay or some online sites. And yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can get notified for new uploads on this channel. And thanks for watching, and see you next time on the next video.